killer deal on this miter saw. This is a Milwaukee miter saw. This is a fuel. It's a 10-inch. Big shout out to Warmonger. Make sure you guys check them out at the Instagrams. He's an OG from the Deal Team 6. So I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. This is an M18 18 volts 10-inch brushless cordless dual bevel sliding combo miter saw with an 8 amp hour battery. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, so $5.99 purchase M18 kit tool. Receive a free 8 amp hour high output battery. You got a free gift with purchase. You click on that. You select on the battery. Add both to the cart. Check this out. You got the battery for $165.67. And you got the miter saw for $433. That is a killer deal, guys. We hardly see these miter saws for around this price. It's very rare. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.